Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a document in Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the suggested tab. From here we just have to select the document that we want to rename, then tap on the three dots next to its name. And here if you scroll down we can just tap on rename, and then we can set the new name to our document. Let's say it's going to be spreadsheet example, and then we tap on rename, and as you can see here the name of the spreadsheet has changed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.